మీ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఏంటి?
Thanks for what you said. I'm honored. But నాకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి I've been like in plays, and only thing is it was English plays, so it's not the same medium, it's totally different. Kani, I've always, I don't know why, I've always veered away from the normal or anything that was very plain, you know, even like let's say Caesar. If we're doing Julius Caesar, I'll say I want to Cassius. Though I could play the hero. Naku Cassius kavali lekapothe Brutus. Naku Julius Caesar voddu because Julius Caesar is boring. Likewise, when we select plays, they'll do normal plays. I will look for something deviant. Like that fellow will be a hypochondriac. Lekapothe the whole play will be about Nana Garu. I mean, he'll be dead. He'll be in a chair and the whole 3 scenes will be me talking to him. Alanti characters I used to do. So I was always like, I want to do something different.
శివపుత్రుడికి మీకు అలాగే కదా నేషనల్ అవార్డు వచ్చింది.
Yeah, దానికి వచ్చింది.
See, acting లో మాకు నేర్పిస్తారు, it's acting is not what you say, it's what you do not say. అని మాకు బాగా నేర్పించేవాళ్ళు, యూనో, బికాస్ ఇక్కడ మనం డైలాగులు ఉంటే చాలు అనుకునేవాళ్ళు. ఆ సినిమా మొత్తానికి 2 లైన్లు ఉన్నాయి, యూనో, లాస్ట్ లో, యూనో, అండ్ దానికి మీరు ఆ యాక్టింగ్ చేస్తున్నా ఎంత మీ బాడీలో నుంచి ఎంత కమ్యూనికేట్ అర్థమయ్యేది, మీరు మాట్లాడినట్టే అనిపించేది, యూనో. సో ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ టు this action flick, so do you switch off everything? Or deeniki kuda anta preparation?
Yeah, I do. Actually, I do more. In fact, I was thinking, I was hoping this film will be like, because Krishna character kada in Nannalo was like so much of performance. I thought, okay, let me do a breezy commercial film. Kani sudden ga last 30 days they kill me. I've actually done about 17 looks in the film. And there was one particular day when 6 o'clock morning start chesi. Next day, 9 o'clock in the night, we finished. Almost like 36 to 40 hours continuous shoot. Every get-up took 5 hours. So between shots, the whole unit will be sleeping. And while I was acting, the makeup man will sleep. I was constantly, Kani, I suddenly had so much work to do, but what was beautiful is, Shivaputra ante, that whole character, I do homework, I come in, it takes 10 days for me to get into the character, then I'm there, then I try to switch off, I come to the next character, then I'm doing Nana again. But this was not like that. I had to give that much importance to each character. Like, you know, it was just a 1 day's work or 2 days work or a few hours. I was trying to do different body language, different walking style, anni like change chesanu. That was really, I've done so much work in this. But apart from this, let's say Sami or whatever, I try to, actually, ఎవరైనా నాకు అవార్డ్ ఇస్తే, like let's say Shivaputrudu or for Nana, I'll always say, give me for Gemini or give me for Sami, because I've actually tried to be very different. I could have been the same, like Kandasamy, Sami, Dool. It'll be very specific, like the action and
me facial hair, gani me butulu, me colors,
even my body language. I'll try to internalize. I don't know, it's just something that grew on me. It's not like you said, I didn't go to an acting school in LA, but nakemo, I'm very interested in that. I mean, since you've gone to an acting school, you'll be able to understand where
I know what you mean. You know, in spite of all this, you know, మీరు ఇంతకు ముందు ఎక్కడో ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అన్నారంట, శంకర్ తోటి ఒక సినిమా, మణిరత్నం తోటి ఒక సినిమా, నేను రిటైర్ అయిపోతాను.
And I went back on my word.
We're glad you did. మేమెవరు రిగ్రెట్ చేయట్లేదు. బట్ అలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్స్ చేసుకోవడం మీకు ఈ రోజు కూడా అంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ మీద? జస్ట్ బికాజ్ మీరు అనుకునేదల్లా సక్సీడ్ అయ్యారు. Let it be as a commercial hero, as an actor, you know, కుదరదు అన్నది మీరు ఈ రోజు ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నారు. As an audience, how do you keep yourself motivated? ఇంకా చాలు అనిపిస్తుందా, లేకపోతే మీతో మాట్లాడుతుంటే లేదు నాకు ఈ సినిమాలోనే 17 డిఫరెంట్ లుక్స్ ఇచ్చాను అంటున్నారు, ఇంకా వేరే యాక్టర్లకి వేరే హీరోలకి ఛాన్సే ఇవ్వట్లేదు ఏదైనా కొత్త ట్రై చేద్దాం అంటే? Everything they'll be like, oh, Vikram did
no. My next film director was saying, sir, you did everything, no? All you look, because you're talking about looks. I said, I was thinking, what is he saying? Anni looks said, no, sir. I said, yeah, okay. Then I realized, oh, no, me look, I haven't. I mean, I'm doing something separate. In fact, even for Ippudu nenu Andhra ki veltunanu, I'm going different. This is not the way it's going to be. So, like, we tried everything, and it's very exciting, no? Like, and like, it's not just about losing weight or getting a different look. And for me, you know, what excites me most, it's from Vikram, how far can I go? Like, you know, become someone totally different. Like Krishna, that happened to me. You know, I was like dubbing chusnappudu the Nano. I was thinking, shit, what have I done? I felt so happy. Like that, there are films, you know, or Ravan, very different from what I am. I'm actually basically, I've not done me in any movie. Like very frivolous, very talkative, I'll be something different. And that's what excites me a lot. If there's some role which is like me, I don't do it.
Oh.
And it's-
This is your first movie with PV Productions, right?
Yeah.
So, ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి వస్తున్నారు. You know, in a very big way. I mean, what 40 crores they spent on Meedinte. Oh my God, మేము మగధీరాకి అంత ఖర్చు పెట్టామండి ఇక్కడ.
What do you say?
Yeah,
Seriously?
it was around that range. I mean, it's 40 crores is a
So now
humongous
that
budget.
you me, are they new? I didn't think they were new. The way
Like
they were
more into, I know, right?
actually thinking
in
about
the
it
past
because
few years, actually, not
we've pumped in a lot of money. I think
commercial
it was-
film ki so it's going to be a feast
it's,
ma
it's
aiki.
good. What they did, I mean, this kind of a script required that kind of a producer, and they've always been
Tell
there.
me,
That was
tell
a-
us something about the producer.
Because when నేను డైరెక్టర్ తో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు కూడా చెప్పారు, like whatever, I'm so happy, like whatever we wanted, it was never a no, or you know, it's always been yeah.
Our vision complete, follow
that
through
was-
avvalante.
that's very important for a creator and for an actor. You know that everything is taken care of. Like for me as an actor, I know the director is there. I just have to go get my look ready and do my stuff, and I know he's going to take care of everything. Like that for a director and an actor, I think the
Yeah.
producer needs to be there with the backbone. Like as far as production, the publicity, everything. I mean, it's all in the producer's hands finally. How it's presented. It's like we make
మంచి
the
సినిమా
food.
తీసుకొని
We
రిలీజ్
make the food and they are going to serve it.
Yeah,
And how
yeah.
they serve
You can't
it.
keep it at home.
So and we've got a lot of class, and the way they have dealt with the film and the production has been like really, it's been an eye opener. I was thinking, should have more films like this being made. You know, very nice. And we've traveled, went to Italy. In fact, we wanted to Japan la shoot cheyalante alincham, kani we didn't get enough locations, so we've actually sent a crew there to find out it didn't work. Then we said, okay, let's go to Italy. So we did a lot of background checks, and so we had a wonderful shoot. Rendu partlo akkada shoot chesamu.
ఓ పాటల
And
గురించి
Laddu,
మాట్లాడాలంటే
Nice songs. Really
నాట్
nice.
జస్ట్
Even as-
సాంగ్స్ నలుగురు అమ్మాయిలు ఉన్నారంట
నలుగురు,
మీకు
ముగ్గురు. అవును ముగ్గురు actually, yeah, నలుగురు.
నలుగురు
Yeah, even it was
But let's talk about the most fabulous, my favorite, Diksha Sen.
Diksha, more than saying she's a co-star or she's a fantastic actor or whatever, I'd like to say she's a good friend more than anything else, and I think that is what sets her apart. She's not a normal person.
కాదా నాకు తను ఎక్కువ కూడా తెలియదు ఊకడతారో ఉలిక్కి పడతారో తను చేస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు మనోజ్ పక్కన వాట్ అ బిగ్ హార్ట్ షీ హ్యాస్
She does?
ఓ మై గాడ్ లైక్ ఎనీ నా బర్త్డే నేనే మర్చిపోయాను నేను అందరికీ నో ఐమ్ నాట్ గోనా సెలబ్రేట్ దిస్ బర్త్డే అనుకోని నేను నన్ను 10 days తర్వాత చూసిన నా గిఫ్ట్ అలాగే పట్టుకొని ర్యాప్ చేసి దాన్ని నేను ఇల్లు మూవ్ అయితే దానికి ఒక గిఫ్ట్ ఐ మీన్ నేనే ఆలోచించినంత యు నో వెన్ యూర్ ఇన్ సో మెనీ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్ తను షీస్ వెరీ సెన్సిటివ్ అలా సో
She is very, and she's at the same time, she's very, she's not girly. Like normally you, okay, an artist ante, I mean, I'm talking about stars, heroines. Normally, I mean, they're all nice people, they're all acting, but you know, finally when it boils down to a shoot, we are very casual, we can do what we want for them, jewelry and the costumes, and you get a little, and the hairdo, and you have to have everything right. For us, we can be crass or we can be very callous with the way we look. The thing is, they need to be perfect, and they will get cranky, or I've never seen her like that way. And I always compare her to Anushka that way, because Anushka is also very relaxed, and she's like chums with everybody on the set. But Diksha goes one step further. Ela ante we're shooting in Italy. He's so cute, and you know, it was amazing. Like we said, this song, like I'm in the whole movie, I'm all colors, you know, red shoes, purple belt, green trouser or whatever jeans. It's like that. And we said one song we'll do like this, but this song in Italy with Diksha is going to be only suits Armani and you know DNGs and stuff. And for her it's going to be sari, and she's going to be graceful, like you know, the epitome of grace and all that. So what Chinti she was doing, and suddenly they said, listen. You have to go from here to there. She said, okay, but then it's a little slushy. She said, okay, no problem. We'll do. And she just suddenly stood up and, Alagi, she just lifted the sari. The whole unit was, what's she doing? She was not bothered. She said, okay, ready. And they were like, okay, normally another girl, like anybody will say, no, let's not do it yet. Why do we need to have that shot? We'll do something. She said, no, we'll do it. Okay, ready. Come. Hey, my hair. And sometimes I say, listen, it's a long shot. Okay, forget it. You try telling that to any other heroine, okay, it's a long shot. They say, no problem. They will get it done from their mascara to, which is perfectly understandable. She'll say, no problem. And she did.
So she just lifted her
The
sari
last
and-
was even funnier. Shot అయిపోయింది and then we're changing. He said, quickly, before that we have a shot and there was a steep incline. And నేను కార్ my shot was నేను కింద ఉన్నాను. So నేను కార్ వెళ్ళి అక్కడ వెళ్ళాను and I'm waiting. This girl has to come down halfway. And then they said, one guy is holding her and saying, okay, slowly and all that. She said, hey, Uday. And it was the last. She did that. She went all fours. She went down. ఇలాగే she went
కింద
all the way
వరకు?
on all fours. అక్కడ
my
వరకు
God.
అలాగే వెళ్ళారు. Maratha, she said, okay, ready. And then she wiped herself and I was thinking, my God, I mean, it's not about confidence or anything. It's just
her willingness to do
everything.
I think.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's her. And ఇప్పుడు కూడా before the interview or trailer release mundi నాకు phone chesi, okay, a dress, I mean, what color do you want to wear? Let's coordinate. I think it's someone who's just come into the field. Okay, she's 3 films or 4 films old, but the intentions
undi,
and what
yes,
she's doing, I
very
really
true.
love that.
Yeah.
And the way she's a guy, she's like, okay man, buddy, so what shall we do? I say,
Yeah.
hello, behave like a girl. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? You look so
నేను
petite.
హైర్ చేసినప్పుడు వెన్ ఐ హైర్డ్ ఫర్ ఊకొడతారులకి పడతారా మేము ఫస్ట్ కూర్చున్నప్పుడు కూడా దీక్ష ఈ ఏరియాలో నువ్వు కొంచెం వర్క్ చేయాలి యా దీనికోసం నేను ఇచ్చేస్తున్నాను వచ్చేస్తున్నాను సో తన ఫ్లాస్ ఏంటి కూడా తను తెలుసుకొని యునో
And she's very
షీల్ గో
open.
లాంగ్ వే యా షీ's నాట్ లైక్
She's very-
డిఫెన్సివ్ అట్ ఆల్
And normally I'm not very good at suggesting something. Naku asalu, I'm a little, sometimes I may sound brash or rude. Sometimes I'll be telling her, listen, don't, she's okay. Why do you laugh so much? Don't, okay, let's, okay. Then everything, I say, then later she'll say, no, you really shouted at me today. You had it tomorrow. So, sorry, da. My buddy, you know, he just, yeah, I understand that. Chuma, I'm saying, okay, relax. And she's so cool.
మీరందరూ వీడింతే సినిమా తప్పకుండా వెళ్ళి చూడండి
Bye.